Guess what's happening today?
We're getting chickens.
I'm so excited.
We're thinking about maybe getting a few of these, few of these, few of these, few of these, few of these.
In other words, she wants them all. But we are only going to get 6 chicks. Each kid gets to pick out 2 types. It's like buy one chick, get one free. They are so cute. We went and saw them yesterday, and unfortunately, we got a homesteader book a little while back at the library because we were interested in getting goats, and we knew that that probably wouldn't happen, but we were interested in looking into it. Then we saw a part in it for chickens. It's always been my mom's dream to have chickens.
What have I done?
And so here's our chick's house. I think they'll really like it here, hopefully. And I'm hoping you guys don't slack off on your chores.
Yeah, we're going here.
Chickens are bought out.
Yeah.
Because yesterday we went there and
within like 1 hour, they were all gone.
you're leaning towards green a little bit.
Can I get a duck, Mom? Can I get a duck?
Oh, they are ducks. Look at that.
We got chickens.
Yeah.
I got a mixed silky and a red
golden laced Wyandotte. And I got 2 blue sapphire chicks. Here.
Oh my goodness.
I'm
very careful, okay?
Let's go find all their stuff.
Heat lamp.
Here's their heat. Where's their bedding? Is this good?
We need a heat lamp, so I can feel
What do you think of this one, Mom?
I hear chicks. You've got the chickies?
I see them on a dinner plate with mashed potatoes and gravy.
You're gonna want to sit in the sunlight because it'll be cold, you guys. But again, just slower.
This is caramel. Oh, he's so cute. Actually, Frappuccino maybe. And then my other one might be named.
Mom, look at it. It looks like it's got little angel wings.
This is mine. I say, see how I'm securing his wings with my fingers? Yeah. Do that with this. His beak looks so cool.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, they actually do smell good. No, they smell bad.
Bunnies and chickens are my favorite animals. They look so cute.
I have.
After you say
Let me count this
chickens.
up. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 favorite animals. Waku, big moas, and chickens.
I can't do naked rats.
Yeah. So it's pretty full. Well, it's almost full. Yeah,
So
that's
then
pretty
you
full.
just-
And then do I tip it upside down?
Yeah, once that's.
This way? And see if it's good. Good?
Daddy! Daddy! Here! I have to stop. I'm holding my chicks now. Oh my goodness, he's gonna love these so much. I hope.
Can we take them
Yeah,
outside?
we got that.
Daddy, we got you a chicken! Dad, we got you a chicken! What do you want?
These are mine
That
too.
guy there?
Yeah.
That's a girl.
It's a girl. That's Frappuccino.
I'm excited.
Frappe. Isn't he cute?
Super cute.
It's a showing one and it gets really fluffy. So I'm gonna show him in
Look at
four.
its cheek, Brandon. They have pom-poms on them.
Dad, you wanna hold this chicken? You a chicken? You wanna hold it? You can name him beautiful. These 2 are mine. Moonlight and what was this one?
Oh, this is a really pretty color.
Look at the stripes down his back.
That one's mother, who knew that it had a Frappuccino maker just like you.
Yeah. The Frappuccino maker.
Dad, what do you want to name yours?
You gotta name your little guy. What are you gonna name it?
It's a girl.
Little girl.
Mine's a tomboy because the other beaks, the bottom of it. Guess. His name is Guess, right? This one's Moonlight. Yeah, it's the show one. Oh, guess what her name is? Caramel. Shadow. Shadow. You can take him in the backyard. I don't know why he's not peeping.
Well, he might be just because you guys are.
we are off to the chicken photo shoot of just Angel. And then I'm gonna do one of me and just Misty. Girl, I'm sorry, I have to put you through this again. Angel, I have to get a really good one. Wow, Angel, thanks for peeing on me. Oh, great, it's on my shirt.
They pooped on you.
Again.
Oh, that's just
This
gross.
one's Angel because of the white wings. This one's Misty. I'm poop. Uh-oh.
There's hope for this shed. There really is. It's gonna be the chicken coop. Time to tear the shed apart.
Corey just stopped by to say hi, but I was beginning demo on the shed, emptying it out, tearing into it, so he was very kind to help out.
Find in the shed.
A picture of Dad.
A picture of Brandon.
Yeah, look at it.
Wow.
Chicken need to be in the oven.
Not your chicks, right?
No, definitely not. No. Wait.
Hey, look at this spider. Sharks considered
Since
fish.
today.
Marsupials are mammals.
She's very healthy. She poops a lot.
We're very
Not a bad rooster.
Look how cute these guys are. But even better yet, look at the difference in the store-bought versus the farm eggs. There's so many more nutrients in the farm fresh eggs, and it's no wonder because look at these hens, how they're raised. They don't have any fresh grass, no worms, and they're just cooped up, literally. So the kids have been having fun designing the chicken run and the raised flower beds and where everything for a nice backyard farm should go.